I'll
your apology. You know what I am going to accept? I'm going to accept that tonight there will be balance in the Force once again. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time to introduce to you the one and only, the Lethal Squad. Okay? Everybody get ready. Everybody get ready. Steak, are you ready?
I'm ready. For what?
I'm so ready.
Hold on. I'm just gonna enjoy this moment. Orange shoebox with the $5. Bella, your hair is blue. Yes, it is, and it is nasty as fuck. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Hold up, guys.
Can
I'm
we
just
see
enjoying
your
the
hair?
moment. All right, here we go. Chat. It is time. It is time, chat, to unrelease the group that I have handcrafted over the last 3 months to finally put this nasty asshole in her grave once and for all. Add friends to DM. Here we go. Coming in at 6'5", 190,000 pounds. The one, the only, 3-time Pack God Sewer Tournament backing champion. He's nasty, but he's fast. Sage the Frozen Akuma. Oh, wait, we're not done. We're not done. Because coming in at 11'7", 43 pounds. Oh, he's over here, he's over there, and he's up in your head, and he's in your hair. The menace of Mississippi, the one and only. Oh, we're not done. We're not done, chat. Because coming from the darkest depths of Detroit, Michigan, backing legend since 2016, here for a special appearance tonight, the one and only Description. We're not done, chat, because there's still more. There's still more. Coming from a random alley in Bangkok, I found it next to a dirty-ass dumpster, next to a rabies-infested possum. We have the one and only We're gonna run this shit back because we're not done. We're not done. Packing Avengers. Assemble in the core.
craziest matchup of all time. I'm the craziest.
All right, well, great job, gentlemen. That was very satisfying for some reason. I really enjoyed that. That left a giant smile on the face. Shout out to every single person in the Pack Avengers for pulling up today. This is just our first mission, guys. We are going to go spread across the internet and take care of all of the toxic waste all over the world for the rest of time. All right, guys, this is just the start of the Pack Avengers, okay? This is our initial point, and you guys did a great job, okay? I saw you with that mirror plus stance. That loud mic was cooking. See, the Super Saiyan power moves. Oh, my God, it was great. It was absolutely great. Honestly. And I think I saw her ass crying for at least 30 minutes straight. It was beautiful. W crash out, chat. W crash out across the board. Okay, W crash out across the board. W Pack Avengers in the chat. They really do it differently. Man, what the fuck happened to that baby, bro? What the fuck? That baby just melted. You're out. Okay, I did not need to see that. All right, everybody, have a good night, man. Thank y'all for showing up, man.
Thank you, everybody.
That was really beautiful.
Dude,
guys, this is a historic moment. That was beautiful.
That might have been the single. That might have been the most single legendary clip.
Personally, that was just the most satisfying thing I've ever seen.
Turn loud mic off.
Beautiful. Oh, my bad. My loud mic was on. But let me just say, that was honestly one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen in my entire life.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for being a part of this historic moment. We appreciate you. We love you. And, well, it appears, my friends, we have won.
It's all over, brother. Thank you to everybody who donated tonight. New streams coming soon. Everything's coming soon. Okay, this is just the start. It's just the start,
big
guys.
Fucking things are coming.
This is the last time we're ever talking about her. She's gone. Adios. The Pack Avengers has eviscerated her. Shout out to everybody in the Pack Avengers. Shout out to my boy Eggface over here. Shout out to me, baby, because we still cooking. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody in the stream, man. I hope y'all have a wonderful night. W stream. Man, that was a W stream, man. It feels good to be back. It feels good to be back. That was a W stream.
Amazing.
That was a W stream.
We'll see you all next time, guys.
Yes, guys. Have a great night, everybody. Peace.